So good morning guys, we just came from Poblacion Talisay for some, for buying some food, but also to order some of our inasal for Christmas, for our Christmas party. So I was assigned to order lechon, so I have to come here. Anyway, Moni, this is Poblacion Talisay. And on a Sunday morning. So today we're gonna talk about our tourism, Philippine tourism in general. We Mactan Cebu International Airport reported that they had around 10 million, passengers from January to November, which is good. Diba? Mani ako ingon lang nato, which is good, perfect. But we're gonna talk in general what was the direction of tourism here, because Philippine tourism was really down, I would say. Many would say na down kaayo from our friends sa hotel industry, even to the official government figures. Layo kay ta more or less padung pa ta 4 billion, while Vietnam mga 15 million na, di ba? We are lagging behind our Southeast Asian neighbors, not only Southeast Asian neighbors. And in fact, mas tingali, mas grabe yung ting tourism na nun sa mga Pinoy kaysa mga taga abroad na ni Ari. Di ba? Kung naiting figure ba, kung nai tourism deficit, kasi ni gamay lang tourism deficit na daghan there were only around, say, 4 million arrivals. Pila ka ang ibiyahe ng mga Pinoy abroad. I think there should be a figure about tourism deficit, or it's like trade. Di ba? Dapat na ingana tingali, they have to study that. Karon we have more access to flights. Ang locals, I see a lot of my friends. Although ako ka-abroad. Ako ka-abroad nung tuiga But I see a lot of my friends na naka-abroad, naka-larga, naka-anto Vietnam. Vietnam was like a favorite destination, and there's Japan, Korea, kana ba mangyana, Singapore. Diba? Daghan daghan nanuroy na mga amigo nako na ingana Taiwan even. Interesting. Feeling nako tingali. Slowly but surely Filipinos are now galaagan man Pinoy. Daghan na nung tagkuan outbound. Which is crazy also. Diba? But ako na i-check ang figures. But I guess daghan man ingon ana lagi na ngano man. I think one of the main reasons they say Philippines ang presyo. Actually, tingali. But moingon man sad sila na local tourism has grown. Pero na trabaho na nato na we have to help each other if you wanna help the Philippine tourism to grow. I think all the locals must do their part. It's not about competition na gali. It's about helping each other. Because para lang nako ba, I think mukuan dapat ning atong usay naman itong gobyerno or Department of Tourism, pero kinahanglan natay direction sa kaning even our local officials mas synergize. Mag-synergize ni sila sa when it comes to projects, kinahanglan mga budget sa if we want really tourism to grow, we have to invest on the things that can matter to tourism. Sa mga dalan, sama sa dalan kay importante tingali una. Going there, public transportation, ingana to make our city easy to explore. Mao na ikuana na ba? And also to really kanang paubsan tingin presyo, but of course lisod mga namitag ubos ang presyo iran pila may ato isweldo sa mga tao. Di ba? Kaya po na mga minimum wages. Oh, pero malay challenge ani. But I think one thing yun, makaingon ko, tabang yun yung social media. Yet when I check out social media, the ones who post sa karon na ng mga vloggers, no, daghan ng mga vloggers, i-flex yun nila mga laag abroad. Nalupig ta, mas enticing pa man di ay ang laag abroad. So manang, as much as possible dito, kaming taga Cebu, I would say, we want to entice you to come here. Problema sa Pilipinas, pag pinirahay man, may mas better ang kuan, nindot ko ng Daba, mas nindot. It's not about that, di ba? Inyo ramang target is see the bigger picture na atong invite mga foreigners. So dito mag-away-away, nindot ang Davao, nindot ang Iloilo, nindot na tanan. Ang point ng it's we market each other. Don't try to bash each other. Imon yung iduot na just to market yourself, inaog ninyo ang lain, di ba? Dapat isaka na to ang tanan. Maro na akong naman. Sometimes it's sad to see na yeah, I know there's competition, there's rivalry, there's regionalism, but if you look at the bigger picture, kansi na ta, unified man lang campaign sa tourism sa uban, like Malaysia. Believe ko na Malaysia sila yung number 1 sa Southeast Asia, kanilang truly Asia campaign. Sa ang Vietnam has been so aggressive, kanilang mga destinations from Hanoi to Ho Chi Minh, opening up flights, diba, from Cebu to Davao to, yung mga lain-laing lugar ba. AirAsia may just made us a hub. So manay ako ingon na una, kaya man may investment sa it's nice to see that they're trying to upgrade na iya. They're upgrading na iya. But you can look at Cebu as a model na marabag daghan na, although ang lisod lang sa Cebu natay space limitation. So di ba, mulabang gyapon, but we're a hub now. Di ba, kung makaya na nato ikuan ba na hub na to sa AirAsia, daghan nag flights. We have Firefly coming, Vietnam, ganun mga airlines from Vietnam. We have Jetstar from Brisbane. That's so nice. Na marabag, hopefully yes, we will improve hapon. Marabag usahay mo ko ang Cebu. Sometimes parang feeling ko, sometimes we sit on our laurels. Our officials are doing, puro lang ta marketing but not doing much on the infrastructure side. Wala na ang kuana na we need, nice na nang sila na but we need more SRPs, more i-improve, or even that BRT thing kung ato lang na i-implement unta, diba, we would really have help kay mga saghan kay mga bright kay nagkanalang train. It's easy for people to say na mag-train ba, na managing a trainal system, dako kay ng gasto, diba, subsidized with the government. Kung di na i-subsidize ang isang government ang train, mahal na diba, it's actually a losing cause, but ang benefits lang dito sa ekonomiya man, faster travel. Ang problema lang is who will fund it naman, question diba, how many years will it take, diba, pag mga feasibility study. So dagan kayo mo ingon ba na magkuntran yung BRT dayon, mo ingon ng tagwala na lang. That's sheer kabuang na mo ingon ko, that's stupidity mo rin. Mo ingon tag wala na lang tay improvement, dili na to implement porque so na mawa tay new investments in that. Pag we stood still while others improved their place. Di ba? Pag ko ng Vietnam sa una, di ba? Namin na nga to, but ila pa nang i-andam lang, but once they're ready, they open up. Kaya mga China ko, wala sa una, but once they're ready, they invested in their infrastructure, ilang i-andam daan, limpyo na, nindot na, nanidaan, escalators, elevators, unsam na dito katong sa Avatar City. Di ba? So dapat I'm really hoping and praying na atong leaders will care. I know we have a hard-working Department of Tourism. Kuya man ilang aim this year was really gastronomic tourism. Nagpalista tas Michelin, mga Terra Madre, but even helping Iloilo, I guess, mga culinary. It's nice, yes, but people could come for food, but normally people could come for food, but not only food. Diba? Even France, they have a lot of nice restaurants, lami kay, but that's Eiffel Tower gihapon, oy, mga Louvre, Eiffel Tower gihapon ang ilang murag pambato ba. Oh, diba? It's nice na yes, we bank on our food, but kinahanglan na gyapon yung reason mo ana na we have to, you know, make our beaches, you know, cleaner gyapon. We have to maintain that, give it more experience. Ay bang give people more things to do. Diba? Kaya kinahanglan na gina yung mga icon, no? Icon sa kuyawan ninyo eh. Ito, inyong icons kintahay, Basilica Minore del Santo Niño. Nice, yeah, religious tourism. Pero, mga Magellan's Cross. Pero, unsa pa man ilang arion sa Cebu, diba? Marabag, maybe the whale shark, yeah. So, ato ginang alagaan. Diba? I-improve. And also create more experiences. Maybe sakto na nanay tops. So, diba? Marikingana ba na ay atuon. And also the food, kinanglan something to be worth traveling for. Diba? Kaya mawalang na ba na something maragtang sa Michelin Guide, masyako na Michelin Guide, but we didn't nearly enough ba one highlight man lang ang lechon. When these are the things that people come to Cebu for. Punta ko ng Cebu para mag-lechon, di ba? Maybe seafood also. At di man sa necessarily pupunta ko ng Cebu para kumain sa mahalin na restaurant. Well, maybe there are some people who do that, but you know, a lot of people still see na marabag they come to Asia or Southeast Asia for authentic experiences, but also very easy on the wallet, diba? Magasto sila kay barato ra, sulit lang, diba? They can enjoy food, unique food, but also that won't break the bank. We're not France na mukuhan mo mag-champagne mo, although naam sa restaurants nato na yung ana, but you know, mao na akong punto ba na usahay, we have to list down on our guides the things that people that Cebu, they come to Cebu for. Diba? Ang shock man lang ka na sa ilang guide usa lang ang lechonan, House of Lechon. It's more of a restaurant, but it's, you know, daghan turista bitaw mga to, yes, and they're good, but there are also other lechon places, you know, that people really can enjoy. Diba? Mura man ginagingana ba na so hopefully man akong hopeful na yes, the officials not only in Cebu but also in the whole country na think about their, you know, projects, their investments, especially sa infrastructure, and also think about na kung na mo abot diyan na bisita, will they have an enjoyable experience ba? Diba? And that's our hope. And thank you so much for listening. This is Cebu, Talisay to Cebu na drive, and hopefully bubisita mo po Honda rin, diba? And check out our mga Talisay lechon, but also the shopping options in Cebu and other stuff that you can do here in the Queen City of the South. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.